Take a moment to check out the 2017 INFINITI QX50. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Come along for a tour of this richly appointed INFINITI QX50, the luxury SUV that leverages groundbreaking engineering and exceptional design to bring you a driving experience that's truly inspired. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, premium sound system, power passenger seat, fog lamps, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm. Premium luxury meets convenient versatility in this thoughtfully designed QX50. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.